Hi, hello there, my name is Kayla and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here today, I really appreciate it. In today's video, we are reviewing the Kuromi products from the Wet n Wild My Melody Kuromi collection. In my previous video, I reviewed the My Melody products, and in today's video, I'm reviewing the Kuromi products. I'll link my previous video in the description box down below, just in case you want to check it out. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to show you guys some swatches of the eyeshadows on my arm. Alrighty, here are all the shades from the first and the second row swatched. Here are all the shades from the third and the fourth row swatched. The black glittery shade Tough Girl was a little bit chunky, and the black shade Hallows Eve, I didn't get as much payoff as I wanted, but aside from that, all the other shades swatched beautifully. Alright, so just a little information about the products. The eyeshadow palette does retail for $9.99, and the highlight and blush palette retails for $9.99 as well. I'll also be using the eyeshadow brush from the collection to do my eyes with, and this brush retails for $9.99. Alright, so if you'd like to see how I got this look and my final thoughts on the eyeshadow palette and the lip products, then keep on watching. So today I'm going to do like a soft purple look with this palette. I watched a couple other people review this and do tutorials with, and most people did like dark vampy sort of thing. So I want to see if I can do like a lighter look with this. I will also be using the blush and the highlight from the blush lighter palette as eyeshadows to see if they work as eyeshadows, just because I know this blush color is going to be too dark for me, and I think this highlight is also going to look a little funny on my skin tone, but these would look absolutely beautiful on deeper skin tones, and I'm so happy that Wet n Wild put these shades in here for deeper skin tones.
Love what you're doing.
But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. So the first shade that I'm going to use is this blush color on the blender side of the brush, and I'm just going to take this into my crease. Oh yeah, this is definitely working well as an eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be taking the purple shade down here in the corner, the shade Troublemaker, on the same brush and putting this in my crease as well. Oh yeah, this is looking so good. This is exactly what I wanted. Now I'm going to be taking this cool toned brown shade, the shade Naughty, on the same blender brush and lightly just placing this in my outer corner. Now I'm taking a clean Morphe M441 brush and blending this all together. Now I'm taking the shadow side of the brush and dampening it with some setting spray, and taking this highlight shade right here and putting this on my lid. I really want to use this sparkly purple shade up here, the shade Pretty in Pink. This looks like a purple, but okay, so I'm going to use the shadow side of the brush again and put this on my very outer corner, just where the dark meets the highlight color. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to be taking the blush shade and just placing it down there on a Morphe M506 brush. I'm also going to be taking the brown shade Naughty and putting this on my lower lash line as well. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner, eyelashes, and mascara off camera, and I'll be back to complete the look. Alright, I am back and I finished my eyeliner and put on some fake eyelashes. Now we're going to go in with the Kuromi lip products. Am I nervous? Yes. Have I ever used a purple shade this color? No. No ma'am. So the packaging on this is absolutely adorable. I freaking love it.
So cute. It's like too cute almost.
This one smells exactly like the My Melody liquid lipstick that I tried in my previous video. All right, I have you guys scooted in. Let's see how this looks. Oh my god. Okay, I think I'm living for this. Alright, so I've never worn a lip color this dark before, but it is absolutely beautiful. I really like it. I feel very vampy. Now I'm going to be taking the Kuromi lip gloss. The packaging on the lip gloss is a little devious Kuromi, and the one on the liquid lipstick is a little happy face love Kuromi. Super freaking adorable. Wet n Wild nailed it with this packaging. Alright, let's see. I don't know if it's the lip gloss or the lip gloss on top of the liquid lipstick, but this almost looks holographic. It has like a purple, blue, pink shift to it. It is so pretty. And I'm just putting this on the center of my lips. This is so beautiful. Alright, you guys, so this is the completed look. Absolutely love it. I've never done anything like this vampy before, and it's cute. It's beautiful. I absolutely love it. My final thoughts on the Kuromi products. The eyeshadow palette blended really well. I didn't have any issues with any of the shades that I used. The blush and the highlight from the cheek palette work very well as eyeshadows. The blush is super pigmented, so that's what makes it like a really good eyeshadow, I guess. But yeah, that is it for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Everything that I used will be in the description box down below, including the stuff that I didn't show you guys. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye!